Welcome back to my channel. Finally! Hello! It's been a year since I filmed. There's a dog. She's gonna probably be in and out of shot here. But I'm just gonna do a really quick my everyday makeup routine because I have some errands to run. I just washed my hair because I just did a cycle class. The shirt is not my friend, and you're gonna see my bra. It's new bra. It's okay. But yeah, so we're gonna just dive right into it. It's gonna be a talk through video. So if this is your first time watching my videos, which it probably is, hello, my name is Kelly. She's messing up my pajamas. Okay, Paisley. So my face is already primed. I just put on my chapstick. I just used MAC Fix Plus. I have sunscreen on. If you've been watching my videos, or if you watched a few of my videos before this one, you will know that my skin. What? So I'm just starting with the Maybelline BB cream, the blue one. This is what I wear on a daily basis during the summer, because it's just enough coverage and it's also really nice and you don't feel like you're wearing a lot. By the way, this literally just popped up yesterday. Yeah, I've been wearing the Maybelline BB cream every day because it's the best. It's the best. So nice. And then I just go in with my Urban Decay, my all-nighter spray. I don't think I've not used that in like who knows how many years. Or had been using that for so many years. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are a hot mess express recently. They were really good, and then I got them done. And they were beautiful for like 2 weeks. And then the shit show happened. Most days I would just literally put on mascara and bronzer and check out. But today I'm going to do a little bit more. So, like what? Oh, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm just going to prime my eyelids with this, my finger. So this is what I do. With my job, I don't really care that much what I look like half of the time. Which is probably really bad. And I'm going to go in with the Nervina palette. And I'm going to take Base, which is like the really nice like cream color. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid to set the Shape Tape. And I'm literally just doing a really simple eye because I'm not putting lashes on. I'm going to take Incest, just like a brown, and just pop that right into my inner corner and a little bit up. And blending it. And then I'm going to go in with Dreamer, which is the first shade. It's just a really pretty gold shade just on my lid. And blend. And that's all I'm doing for eyes today. I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Last Long Wear eyeliner. This one is in bronze. I'm just gonna line my waterline and my lashes. Just lashes actually, just right up here. Cause I need. And then of course go with my tried and true Lash Paradise, my favorite. If you're looking for a good drugstore mascara, this is it. I'm gonna go back in. Not every day I do concealer, cause like don't really feel like doing it every day. I just use the Tarte Shape Tape, and it is light, and I should probably be using like medium or something. And I actually just recently started using this powder from Maybelline, the Superstay full coverage powder. My skin has definitely gone from being really dry, from being really oily to being really dry. So it's like definitely very combo currently, but this is a really good powder. Should show you. It's like too light for me, can't you tell? For oily skin. And then, this thing sucks. I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It. This thing is amazing. If you like bronzer, you'll like this. I'm using in the color 2, medium. I've been using the medium shade. I even used it like during the winter. Well, not really the winter, but like it's like the perfect like bronzy shade for like everyday. He needs a haircut so bad. And for blush, my tried and true MAC Sincere. I literally use this all year round. It's the only blush that I use all year round. Now that I have darker hair, it looks a lot better. Not that it didn't look better with lighter hair, but and then just a fluffy brush, move it together. And my tried and true most favorite product I've ever bought in my life. The amazing Omrizi highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills with a fan brush. And I'm going to go in with a lip liner. I'm ready. Lip liner. This is Morphe's Backseat Love. This is like so exciting. Some days I do literally just fill my lips in with lip liner and just go like that, but can you not? This is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in Barely Blush 525. This is a really nice nude gloss. It's really pretty. I like to apply this over like darker nude lipsticks because it kind of gives it like a nicer like lighter pinkier sheen. It's really pretty. And then I'm just setting my face with tried and true. Yeah, that's like literally all I do on the most days because I don't have enough time to usually do like a full face in this damn dog. But this is pretty much what I do on a daily basis. Every day is different. If I want to wear more makeup, if I have more time, I'll do like an eyeliner, I'll do lashes, I'll do a different lip. Oh, is it done? Oh, say hello, I do my makeup too. So not really makeup. But this is my everyday makeup routine. It's 15 minutes. It literally is like my favorite. Just to make you feel a little bit more refreshed, like you have makeup on, but like you feel good. And it's also perfect for the summer because it's you're just using BB cream and it's really simple and really easy. And I'm kind of rushing myself now because I have to go take my car to get serviced. So that'll be fun. Anyways, I'm so sorry it took me a year to get back onto YouTube. It's been a crazy year, to say the least. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe in the subscribe area. Also, you can follow me on my Instagrams. I have a makeup Instagram and a personal Instagram. My makeup Instagram does have a lot of my clients on it. So if you're looking for like client stuff, I do need to start posting more like normal stuff on there. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe, and I will see you soon. I'll see you soon.